selling a product that comes in different sizes, colors, or styles. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create product variants in Shopify, so you can manage all those options under one single product listing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Variants are essential for keeping your store organized when you have products with multiple options. They simplify the shopping experience and make your inventory management a breeze. Let's set them up. First, you can add variants either when creating a new product or by editing an existing one. In the product editor, scroll down to the section called Variants. You'll start by unchecking the box that says, "This product has only one default variant." Now, you'll see options to add variant details. Click Add Option to create your first category, like size or color. In the Values field, enter all the available choices, separating each one with a comma. For example, for color, you'd enter black, white, navy. If you need more than one option, like both size and color, just click Add Another Option. Shopify will automatically generate a unique variant for every possible combination. So, if you have sizes S, M, L, and colors black and white, you'll get 6 separate variants to manage. Here's a crucial pro tip. After generating the variants, you can click into each one to set specific details. This is where you can assign a different SKU, barcode, price, or wait for a specific size/color combo. For example, an XXL shirt might cost more, or a specific color might have a unique SKU. Finally, don't forget to upload variant-specific images. This is a huge boost for conversion. In the Variants section, click the image icon next to a variant, like color, black, and upload the picture that shows that exact version of the product. And just like that, you're a variant pro. Your product pages are now more dynamic and customer-friendly. If this guide helped you organize your product options, please give it a like. What's a product in your store that needs variants? Tell me about it in the comments. To learn how to manage your stock levels for all these new variants, subscribe for our next video on using Shopify's inventory management. Thanks for watching.